Changing the pump tube in the blue-white model A100 Peristaltic metering pump is quick and easy. All of the information required to select the proper replacement pump tube is located on the pump serial label. The dash suffix number of the pump's model number is the key to identifying the replacement pump tube ordering number. The new replacement pump tube should match the original pump tube that was shipped with the unit. However, other tube sizes can be used to increase or decrease the pump's maximum output. Model numbers that end with the suffix -3 or -3N can accept pump tube part numbers A-002-3 or A-002-3N. The roller assembly that must be used with these tubes is part number 70,000-937. Model numbers that end with the suffix -4, 4N, 6, 6N, 7, or -7N can accept pump tube part numbers A-002-3, A-002-4, -6, or -6N, -7, or -7N. The roller assembly that must be used with these tubes is part number A-003. Higher number suffixes will deliver higher maximum pump outputs. Standard pump tubes are manufactured of clear PVC Tygon tubing. Pump tubes manufactured of black Norprene tubing are identified with the letter N in their part number. Using a screwdriver, gently pry off the cover's retaining knob. Remove the cover by pulling on the tabs located on the sides of the cover. The right side of the pump tube is marked with the letter R. This is the inlet side of the pump tube. The left side of the pump tube is marked with the letter L. This is the outlet side of the pump tube. The pump must be running to remove the old tube. Be careful to keep your fingers out of the pump head. With the pump running, grasp the inlet side of the pump tube and pull straight out. Carefully guide the tube out of the head. While continuing to hold the tube, pull the outlet side of the tube straight out. The pump head and roller assembly must be cleaned before installing the new pump tube. Be sure that power to the pump has. If the roller assembly does not easily slide off of the motor shaft, clean the end of the motor shaft with light sandpaper and a small amount of oil. If required, a screwdriver can be used to gently pry the roller assembly off of the motor shaft. Thoroughly clean the pump head and the motor shaft. Any dirt or debris left in the pump head will increase friction in the pump tube and reduce the life of the tube. Thoroughly clean the rollers. Be sure the surface of each roller is smooth and that all of the rollers spin freely. Check that there is only a slight amount of play between the rollers and the axle. Rollers that have too much play will prevent the tube from being properly squeezed and will reduce the pump's output and pressure capability. Replace the roller assembly if necessary. Apply a small amount of light silicone oil only to each roller. Install the clean roller assembly into the pump head. Be sure the words "this side out" are facing the front of the pump. Align the D-shaped hole over the motor shaft and push the entire assembly all the way into the head. To install the new pump tube, the pump must be running. Apply power to the pump and turn the power switch on. Notice the grooves on the pump tube's inlet and outlet fittings. Insert the inlet side of the pump tube, this is the side marked with the letter R, into the right side of the pump head. Be sure the tube fitting grooves slide properly onto the pump head runners. Guide the tube into the head, being careful not to pinch your fingers. Insert the outlet side of the pump tube into the left side of the pump head. Blue White's patented pump tube design will keep the tube properly centered on the rollers. No other adjustments are required. Replace the pump head cover by snapping it into place. Snap the cover retaining knob into place. When properly maintained, the Blue White model A100 Peristaltic injector will provide years of trouble-free service. Thank you. I hope I passed the audition.
You can catch me tomorrow night.